I compared 2020 to the bull market of 2008, and I found this. Stick around. Welcome to Silver Heist. Thank you to our returning subscribers and guests. We're a channel that likes to buy physical gold and silver, and we like a coin with a good story. If you like those things, please subscribe. I compared 2020 to 2008. 2008 was a major stepping stone along a multi-year gold bull market that created until recently the all-time high price for gold. Wouldn't it make sense to see how 2020 stacks up to 2008 so that we can look to see where we are and perhaps where we're going? So one thing I've discovered about looking at data provided by the US Mint is that the market share of what coins people buy, whether they buy large coins or small 1/10 ounce coins or something in between, the market share of how many coins are sold of each size changes whether we're in a normal year or a gold bull market year. So treating the gold bull market years as 2008 through 2013 and everything else as typical years, we'll divide the production into two categories. So here's a chart. So the blue bars are the typical years, the red bars are the bull market years, and I don't remember what color I use, it's either light pink or gray, is 2020. So the first thing to note is that the half ounce and quarter ounce are just not a significant part of the market. People may like them and buy them, but as a big group, they are not a big group. In typical years, there's more 1/10 ounce buyers than 1 ounce buyers. But once the bull market takes off, the 1 ounce coin buyer shows up big time. So when you do look at the light pink bars, which is the 2020, you see that the 1 ounce coins are bigger than the 1/10 ounce coins, which leads you to believe that 2020 is a gold bull market year. If the 1 ounce coins are the biggest market share for a given year, you might just be in a gold bull market. Now the second interesting chart is this one, and this shows the 2008 production of gold eagles at the US Mint in terms of ounces. So we're identifying 2008 as a bull market year, so there's more 1 ounce coins going out the door, and there's also more coins in general going out the door. So the years prior, 05, 06, 07, the mintages of ounces is going down, and then boom, 4 times as many ounces going out the door in 2008 than 2007. If you don't recall, 2008 was a significant Wall Street event that created major government intervention, which brings us to 2020. Another major Wall Street event which has created major government intervention. And so 2017, 18, 19, the ounces going down, down, down. Then boom, 2020 happens. We're only partway through the year, and we are already at 4 times as many ounces being produced at the US Mint. And if we even looked at the first 3 months, January, February, March, we would have exceeded the amount of ounces of all of 2019. And if we dig a little deeper into the data, in the first 3 months, every single coin, there were more coins in 2020 than all of 2019, with the exception of the 1/10 ounce coin in 2020. Eventually that has caught up, and there's definitely more 1/10 ounce coins in 2020 than 2019 already. Depending on what the US Mint can do for the rest of September, October, November, maybe December, this is going to be a significant year for gold eagle bullion. If you have 3 years of declining ounces of gold being produced, and then you produce 4 times as much as the previous year, you might just be in the first year of a bull market. Now, when we look at 2000 through 2020, not only are we looking at the gold ounces in blue, which is on the axes on the left, we're also looking at the red high gold spot price for the year, whose axis is on the right. As I showed in the other chart, 05, 06, 07, minted ounces go down and then they explode to 4 times as much. 017, 18, 19, and then they explode in 2020 to 4 times as much. But 2008 was the beginning of a multi-year bull run. It is not a one-year event. Not only did the mintages continue to climb in subsequent years, but the price continued to climb from over $1,200 an ounce in 08 to the previous all-time high in 011 of around 1,800. So when you look at 2020, which has created a new all-time high just above 2,000, if you project a couple or a few more years of continued growth, where could the price go? And the government intervention in 2008 was a multi-year effort that people moved some of their assets into gold. The 2020 government intervention is a multi-year effort, and we're just getting started. So I compared some 2020 mintage data to 2008, and I found more similarities than not that could lead you to believe that we are in not just a good year, but a first year of a multi-year gold bull market. To find out more about gold and silver stacking, please watch one of our featured videos.